Alright, so I'm going to show you my experience with the macro function on the Redragon Impact mouse. So this is the software that they provide you. You've got plenty of options, which you could probably find more information on YouTube, but I'm really just here to go over the issue that I'm having with the mouse itself. So you have, what I have here is just a clicker, kind of records how many clicks you're doing. If I set up my rapid fire key for the macro for the button 4, which is that button there, right there next to the left click. Now, when I click that button, I get a ton of clicks when I set up the macro. I'll show you the way I have it set up. So in the manager, it's just a left click. I have 10 milliseconds between each action. It repeats the action as the button is pressed. Now the problem is, and maybe there's a fix for this coming soon, or maybe I'm just doing it incorrectly, but if I come here to click and I want to say, maybe I'm in a firefight with somebody and I'm aiming down the sights and I want to shoot them, if I'm holding the button down, I'm moving the mouse, but as you can see, it's not moving. The clicks are still going, but the mouse just stops functioning. I can't really do anything else. I can't right click, I can't aim down the sights, I can't even left click again, nothing. So Redragon was kind enough to send me this mouse. This is a brand new mouse because I already have the exact same mouse that I just purchased not too long ago. And it was having that issue, and I guess they thought that replacing the mouse was going to be the answer, but unfortunately it's not. Now, everything else works fine. All of the buttons do what they're supposed to do, aside from using the macro, which cancels all the rest of the functions on the mouse for whatever reason. Outside of that, everything else works the way it's supposed to and as advertised. But that's been my experience with the Redragon Impact mouse. You do get a set of weights and a little box to put them in as well. The cable is braided. You can change DPI right here in the middle if you need to. Everything is pretty well lit. And if you want to change your modes, you're able to do that as well.
So my only issue with this mouse is that when storing the USB, the receiver, if I don't want to use it wireless and I want to use it with the wire, then now it sticks out the bottom and I can't use the mouse. Basically, this is easily lost if you don't have a good place to store the USB drive receiver. That's my only complaint so far. I just got it, just opened it. So maybe I'll have an update, maybe I won't. But I like to use my mouse with the wire, you know, for connectivity issues or whatnot. But yeah, I think that maybe there should be a better storage place so that I don't have to worry about this just laying around getting lost.
The Redragon RGB Impact Mouse. It's very easy on the hands. I really enjoy the feeling of this mouse. There's all these reprogrammable buttons along with their divots that help you figure out which angle, which set you're actually on. Each of these buttons via the software itself, once you go to the Redragon website and get the drivers, are reprogrammable. You can set each DPI setting to be lower or higher, depending on which DPI level you're on. As you can see, there's the display to show exactly what level you're on. The colors and lighting obviously are customizable fully. Each of the buttons as well. You can enter macros to, you know, get your quick little macros in with whatever game you play. And one of my favorite features about it is it's got kind of a microfiber, possibly, cloth wire cover. It's way more durable than something plastic. It's something that great selling point. This thing will be really hard to break.
What's up, guys? This is by Redragon Impact M908 Elite. And this is dual mode. It's wired and it's wireless with your basic buttons on the side. If you play World of Warcraft or pretty much any other MMO RPG, this is the mouse for you. It's much cheaper than a Razer Pro Trinity. And I think it's I like having no cords, you know, so it's always nice. Anyways, this is pretty affordable. I bought it for $40. It comes with cool software. Buy it today.
Almost 2 years deep on this mouse. We're still chugging along. It's got some wear and tear on it, but that's expected with the level of gaming I do. I love the RGB. It's stylish, it's pretty. You can go in there and edit it in the Redragon app. It's very versatile. I would compare it to some of the name brand competitors with how efficient it is and how customizable it is. It's pretty much anything you could need for an MMORPG, first-person shooter. You've got all your keybinds, your macros. You can change the sensitivity and DPI with just a click of a button. Very nice mouse.
This is the Redragon gaming mouse. Looks like I need to clean it, but it's, if you look at the Logitech MMO mouse that I'm used to, or sure many people are used to, it's gotten obscene in price. So this was the best option I could find. You got 12 keys here on the side, down from the 16 I believe the Logitech option provided, but it's good to go.